Okay, everyone. That's how Sasha gets around these days. Hi, Pumpkin. Oh, back over. Over to the next toy. There she is again. And back over. And what's this? Oops, that's too close. What's this? What's this? Hi, Pumpkin. Thank Grandma Dee Dee for that pretty outfit you're wearing. Yeah. Oh, and roll over. Roll over. Dada. Yeah, Dada. Oh, here we go again. Rolling over one more time. Oh, there we go. Get your arms up. Oh, perfect. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, I see something else I want. I see something else I want. What am I going to do? Okay, smiles. I'm going in for it. Oh, oh my goodness. I think I just captured the first scooch on tape. Scoochies. Scoochies.